annoying is it that you can't simply press a return on the index cards to get a line space?
Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to show you how to get those line spaces in your index cards in Scrivener 3 for Windows. The solution to this is really simple, but a little annoying. I've previously spoken of how the index cards and synopsis box are effectively the same thing. Well, in the synopsis box, you can press return and display the text as you want, and then it will appear with line returns on the index cards. So if you like to write in paragraphs, the synopsis box may well be the best place for you to set out your text. Then you can use the corkboard index cards more as a place for organising rather than writing. And as you can have both open at the same time, that probably isn't too much of an issue.
But still annoying.
This video has other things you might not know about the corkboard. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.